Samsung Galaxy A13 launch date is set to be on May 27, 2022. The mobile will be available in various of colors. Samsung is now busy upgrading its A-series mid-range phones for support 5G connectivity. The company is using new chipsets from different makers to giving buyers more choices at reasonable prices. The company has allowed them to bring the Galaxy A13 to the market. Let's talk about the specification of this phone. The new Samsung Galaxy A13 phone has a 6.5-inch HD Plus display that supports 720 by 1600 pixels resolution. This phone display comes with waterdrop notch and give pixel density of 270 ppi. 20:9 aspect ratio display provides a screen-to-body ratio of 81%. The power button and the volume rocker are on the right side. This device comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security along with face unlock that works through the front camera. This phone is running on Samsung One UI built over Android 11 operating system. The Galaxy A13 powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 480 chipset processor that support 5G connectivity to this device. This phone has 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB. Galaxy A13 has offered a quad rear camera setup on this phone that includes 50 megapixels primary sensor with f1.8 aperture plus 5 megapixels ultra-wide lens with f2.0 aperture, a 2 megapixels macro lens with f2.4 aperture and a 2 megapixels depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The selfie camera of this smartphone has an 8 megapixels with f2.0 aperture that supports video calls. The device built in with a 5000 mAh battery and supports 18-watt fast charging through USB Type-C port that also used for data transfer. In addition, this device also included these features such as 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, 4G Volt, USB OTG, GPS, light sensor, proximity sensor and accelerometer. What do you think about this phone? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.